We all love eating cucumbers, right? But what exactly is it? The words salads and cucumbers go hand in hand. Experts classify it as both a fruit and a vegetable because it is a member of the Cucurbitaceae plant family, which also includes watermelon, pumpkin, and squash. Cucumber has tons of benefits. It nourishes your skin from the top and hydrates from within, but its benefits are not limited to the skin. There are far more health benefits to eating them. Let's dive straight into it. We listed out the best benefits of incorporating cucumber into your diet. 1. It regulates your blood pressure. Cucumber is a good source of magnesium, potassium, and dietary fiber. As a result of these nutrients' ability to lower blood pressure, the risk of heart disease is decreased. 2. Cucumbers cool down our stomachs as it includes soluble fiber that aids in slowing down digestion. Additionally, the high water content of cucumbers softens our stools, avoids constipation, and maintains regularity in our bowel movements. 3. It controls blood sugar levels. As cucumbers are known to lower blood sugar levels, they are beneficial for managing and preventing diabetes mellitus. 4. Cucumbers are low in calories and contain 96% water. This makes them beneficial for weight loss. You will be amazed to know that 100 grams of cucumber contains only 15.5 calories. 5. Cucumbers' high water and low calorie content aid in weight loss. 6. Cucumbers are fantastic beauty boosters. They have wonderful skin-related effects. Applying cucumber juice to the skin makes it supple and radiant. Cucumber's anti-inflammatory properties naturally lighten our skin and lessen tanning. 7. Suffering from tiredness with long computer work. Soothe your eyes by placing cucumber slices on them for around 10 minutes, which also helps to minimize puffiness in the area around the eyes. 8. Cucumber reduces the cancer risk. Cucumber's fiber protects against colon cancer. Additionally, the cucurbitacin in cucumbers has anti-cancer effects. 9. Cucumbers contain silica, which is great for maintaining healthy hair and nails. They assist in preventing brittleness and strengthening the nails. 10. It also prevents bad breath as cucumbers contain phytochemicals that kill the germs in our mouths that are the source of bad breath. So what is stopping you from having them daily? Is there anything else that you know about cucumber? We will be glad to hear from you in the comment section below.